Are you hodling Cardano during this dip, or are you planning to sell to buy back cheaper? Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, I'll share with you all the Cardano news that you need to be aware of, and then using that information, I'll share with you my price prediction and technical analysis. But more importantly guys, I'll share with you exactly how I'm trading it. Rockstar Trading Channel guys, we don't just make predictions like other channels like Cardano to $10. We share with you exact plans when we're buying, when we're selling, and actually making money. This was a trade I shared on the last YouTube live stream. If you can go watch that. I shared this trade setup. I also posted exactly when we entered on Twitter as well, this 4-hour pullback. This is our strategy. It hit first target, now back to where we entered. So I'll share with you new plans, my new trade plans if Cardano does break down, where I'd look to sell and potentially even short like our previous trade. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video. Cardano guys is still one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. It has been, battle tested if you want to call it. There's always, cryptocurrencies coming and going. Cardano has been around, and Charles Hodgkinson and the team are slowly building and building. They haven't delivered as much as maybe I would have liked, so I'm probably not the biggest fan of Cardano, but it is a project that I like. And if you guys remember, followed my channel, it is one of the coins that made us the most money. If you remember back in the day, we bought Cardano leading up to the Shelly mainnet launch less than 10 cents, and we rode this pump during the Bitcoin bull market. Money is made during the bull market, so use this bear market to find good projects, get in early, and then take profit during a bull market. Guys, if you do enjoy this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification button. You can hit the like button now. It really helps us out and also pushes YouTube and Cardano content to more people. It really helps with algorithms. So if you do enjoy this type of content, do consider hitting the like button. So let's get into the video now then. So we had that rally, and then once we broke down below here, $1 was a big breakdown. We had a huge sell-off into this support level. This support level, I was looking for a long setup. I said, look, if this lower high holds, I think we could get a rally, and we saw that. We broke out, gave me that pullback. And again, the importance of having a trading strategy is taking profit. Most people just buy and don't sell and then wait for like the moon mission. But there's, in this type of market, you have to be quick in and out taking profits. In bull market, yes, you can just buy and let some run like we did earlier, but now you've got to be really in and out. It's really important to understand what type of market we're in. Most money is being made by shorting. You can see these are all short setups that we're taking. Myself and other members in the Rockstar Trading Group, we're taking short setups at the moment just because the type of market we're in. If we're in a bullish market, Bitcoin pumping, yes, just happy to buy and hold, but at the moment it's quick in and out trading. So that's where we are now. The key level I'm watching is 50 cents. As long as we hold above 50 cents, I'm happy to be in Cardano. And that trade worked out, so I'll move that trade to the side now. For now, I'm waiting to see 50 cent hold. If 50 cent holds, Cardano starts breaking back above 60-70 cent, I'm happy to buy it, to ride it towards $1. If we don't see that guys, I think Cardano could have a bigger sell-off. So if you start seeing trend changing below here, I might look to take a short setup. I'll cover the short setup and price prediction at the end of the video. Now let's talk about news. So Cardano developers prepare for Vasil hard fork, while Hodgkinson condemns bull market. So he's basically saying that he argues that bear markets bring out the best projects in DeFi and promote development. In a bull market, people get really excited and it's more to do with making money. There's not much development, Luna, if you want to talk about that, that had a huge development, DeFi, anchor protocol, then it rallied and people took profit, and you saw what happened. Maybe Luna's not the best example, but we've seen huge developments, including DeFi, including NFTs, it happened during the bear market, and then all the market tops happened when they went full-blown, public, and you saw everyone talking about them. So it's really important. It's a really good important point from Charles Hodgkinson. Personally, I've been through I think like 6 bear markets now, and every time you've seen major advancements, that's where the smart contract revolution came from. That's where a lot of DeFi revolution came from. Bear markets are perfect time for governance and improvement in interoperability protocols to happen, because everyone is so focused on work. They tend to be much cooperative, so they're they're more focused on work than the price going up. So that's a quick update for him. And then he also posted updates on the Vasil network. And Cardano is, like I said, it's a really popular coin because it's not just covered by small news media. It's also covered by Yahoo Finance, a lot of the other news outlets as well. So that is one of the reasons why I like Cardano so much, because in a bullish market, if Cardano starts breaking out, it would be one of the first coins that I look to get in because of the rally, the potential pump it can have, and also is battle tested. Like I said, the Charles Hodgkinson is saying is ridden through so many bear markets, bull markets, and is still around, and it will potentially be a leading blockchain in cryptocurrency space. So let's talk about this update now. So Vasil hard fork, and he said these engineers are deep in the weeds right now and working really hard on Vasil. A massive amount to do, huge amount of testing to do. After the collapse, we decided to add additional test harness to what we are doing and think really comfortable about some things. It's taking a bit more time, but we figured that the abundance of caution is well rewarded these days. So again, we've already talked about Vasil in this channel previously. Cardano, it will make Cardano better scalable. I think it will help with decentralization as well, and also the smart contract, more developments on the Cardano smart contract. So this is a really important update for Cardano, and if they can implement it successfully, hopefully we'll see more adoption in Cardano as well. So that's the news that I'm looking to play. If this was in a bull market, guys, Cardano would have pumped 20-30%. Unfortunately, the market that we're in is not allowing Cardano to move on. So fundamentally, that's the news that I care more about. But another news is the actor and comedian Martin Lawrence is selling Cardano powered NFTs. People talk about use cases and people using Cardano. This is a good use of Cardano. We can see NFTs being built on Cardano. Ethereum is still the main player for NFTs, but other like Solana, Cardano are trying to have an NFT market as well. So it's good to see this development. Again, I'm not too excited about this. I care more about smart contract, more apps, DeFi launching, but that's a positive, and shows that Cardano not just all talk, but the use cases and adoption happening as well. So that's the news aspect of Cardano. Talking about this news, like I said, if we're in a bull market, guys, Cardano would have pumped on this news 50, 20, 30%. Unfortunately, the type of market we're in and the downtrend that we're in, Cardano is not getting a move on. And as long as, guys, Cardano is in a downtrend, and more importantly, Bitcoin is below 30k, I don't think that Cardano is going to bottom here. So I made the title of the video, should you hold or should you sell? You guys see, you take short setups here also at $3. As long as the trend is down, I think I don't want to just hodl. If you love the project, maybe sell half and hold half, and then when we see trend changes, you can look to buy more. So the main setup I'm looking for, potentially a long setup, is above 65-66 cent. If we start breaking back above these levels, I'm happy to risk for longs. Similar to this setup, I look for pullback entries targeting potentially $1 these highs. So that is the main trade I'm looking for. But for me to take this trade, I need to see Bitcoin above 30k. If Bitcoin is below 30k, I won't be looking to take that trade. I'm doing a live stream in a couple of hours on my YouTube channel. You can sign up for it. If you go into the community section, click notify me, you can watch our live stream. I'll share with you coins that we're looking to buy. I'll review Bitcoin. It's really important to understand what's happening with Bitcoin and the stock market, because it's all correlated. When Bitcoin and stock market is pumping, they all tend to do well. So if Bitcoin is above 30k, that's the long setup I would look for, and I'm happy to hold. For now, like I said, I'm happy to hold because 50 cent is big support. If we start doing this, so I talked about the key zone 50 cent at the start of the video. If we start breaking below this, I would look to probably sell half or potentially take another short similar to that with stop above there, targeting these lows. So that is a trade setup that could play out in the next few days. It will depend on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin stays below 30k, I think that could be a setup. And 50 cent is such a huge level. This was the the highs. This was support back in 2018, and we found support here as well, and then we broke out from 50-40 cent as well. So I do think there is a chance that we bottom around 50-40 cent, but I need to see Bitcoin show strength. If Bitcoin starts breaking above 30k again, we chop around more, something like this, then yes. Oops, let me get rid of that. If we chop around here, and we need to see longer consolidation, I'd say something like this, and later on in November, December time, we could get a pump. I would like to see that, but if not, guys, the trend is down, and trading strategy wise, I follow the trend. As long as the trend is down, I'll be looking to take the short setups. Trend change, break back above there, I'll look for short-term longs, and I'll keep trading it in and out. Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think about this video. Do you want me to carry on making Cardano videos? I asked you guys which coin you want me to review. Most people requested Cardano. If there's any other coins you want me to review, comment below. and I'll review them in the next videos. Before I end the video, comment below your thoughts on Cardano as well. Do you like the project? Do you think, Cardano can pump back to, $1, $3 again? Comment below your price prediction for Cardano. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you.